Welcome back, Crypto Rico, here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on that $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100, use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back all my gambling apes. We're going to drop this video. I had some people asking me to do an update, so I checked out the comments. Also my Telegram and Discord, people saying, you know, we need an update. And I agree, we're up here, you know, it's 2022, so let's kick it off right with the gambling apes. This is not going nowhere. You guys see I still have my gambling ape. I've been telling a lot of family members, you know, a lot of people, besides just on my YouTube channel, that this is a winner right here. This NFT will be a life changer later on down the road if you can hold. Right here we have our new Bing Bong Gapes slots is now live. You can play it, okay? So they got the slots are live and people are gambling, and this was something that I wanted to also retweet and announce right here. This was Happy New Year's to all you apes. This was a huge year for us with many crazy milestones hit, announcements in the Discourse, and recap of our crazy year. We also released the weekly numbers of our casino in the Discourse, sneak peek below. $4 million in cash balance wagered, okay? So this is not going nowhere. This is a real contender right here. I'm not going to let go. Somebody would have to pry my ape out of my hands, like legit, because this is going to be one of those projects that we wish that we got in early on. Definitely. So I'm going to come over here. Make sure that if you guys are a gambling ape, a fellow ape, come over here, like and retweet all this. Also, come on my Twitter, you know, at CryptoRico12. You guys can find everything about the gambling apes and whatnot right there. So we're going to look at the floor price. Of course, we have a market correction from ETH and BTC pulling back. So right now, you know, to get one of these apes is relatively cheap. If you believe in the project long-term down the road, this is pretty cheap where these apes can be going. And getting passive income from being a part owner of the casino is pretty lucrative. So let's see if we can get this one to load up. I just want to bring an update of everything that's going on. We got $4 million wagered so far on the gambling apes inside the casino. We got the slots are running. So, you know, everything's going according to plan right now. So let's see what's going on with this. Let's just refresh it. Okay, there we go. We refresh. Okay, so we got these apes going for 1 ETH. They're going to jump up to 1.1 ETH right away. This is lagging a little bit, no big deal. But I just wanted to bring some awareness to the next year of the gambling apes. Just put a video out there, help you guys have some content to share with other people that are probably interested in the gambling apes. Please check out the rest of the videos. Anything to do with the gambling apes. They have the parties that I was at in Las Vegas. They got the Miami parties, the New York parties. This is not going to stop no more. And this is basically going to be the future with all the metaverse and everything like that. So right now, one ape is at $3,700, which just remember this. This year, I'm going to do a lot of Snapchat like things for my channel, because it's like, just remember when these apes were $3,700, and we'll see at the end of 2022 what are we looking at, because right now we get a fresh start for this whole year of all these projects that kind of came out right at the end of the year. And I'm very curious to see what we're going to be looking at down like 6 months down the road, and we're going to remember this time. You're going to wish that you snatched one of these apes up, okay? So make sure you guys come over here, show them some love on the Twitter for sure. This helps out a lot, bring some notoriety to everybody. So like and retweet all these things, and you guys know what's up. Till next time, continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, later.